What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create street art or GTA styles art all on Canva into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours so you can learn how to turn a picture like this into a picture like this, or into a simple way how to do this. This is what we're gonna learn. First thing, go to Canva, select your design. For example, let me work into this one, and place the picture on your design. I have uploaded my picture, so we're gonna move to uploads, find the picture, drop it right here. Now, review the left sidebar of menus on Canva, click on apps. Into search, you're gonna type art style changer. Here's the guide I'm looking for. There's one with the girl with purple hair. And you have a couple of options to play with right here. I like this one, the street legend, okay? Click on it. Then you can choose the file by uploading or clicking into the picture. Simple, right? Now, make sure you have selected the street legend. Go to generate. So, here is the result, okay? You need to wait a couple of moments. And we can add to design. This is gonna upload the picture on your Canva as well, so you can use into the uploads. So we have turned that picture into this picture right here. Nice, right? I have one more credit, so I can create 2 images per week as far as I can remember. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!